Hi, this is Steve Johnson, General Manager for Kut Kwick, and I'd like to talk to you today about the SuperSlopeMaster, the SSM-T4, and we're going to focus on the tilting seat, proper adjustment, and use. There are many adjustments for the seat on the SuperSlopeMaster. The armrests are adjustable. They can be raised up or they can be turned down for whatever's comfortable. The back of the seat is also adjustable with this lever, forward and aft. I'd like to point out that when transporting the machine, it is best to do so with the seat in the down position. There is also a suspension adjustment. The suspension range on this seat is 0 to 280 pounds. If you turn the knob in a clockwise direction, you increase the suspension weight. If you turn it counterclockwise, you decrease the suspension weight for a lighter person. The seat can be moved forward and back by lifting on the towel bar at the bottom front of the seat. And the tilt ability of the seat is also adjustable using this bolt underneath and then locking in place with the lock nut. It's important for the belt to be in the proper location when using the SuperSlopeMaster. You want it to be across your belt line, not across your waist, and not across your belly. Once you have the belt properly in place, you want to hook up your safety lanyard and you're ready to go mow. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit us on the web.